Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows 11 keep disconnecting from internet or Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi and your Windows 11, you're facing the issue that your internet is keeps disconnecting again and again. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your search section and hit search for device manager. Now in device manager, the very first thing you can do, you just have to look for network adapters here, expand it, and here's my network or my Wi-Fi adapter. Just right click on it, then click on properties, and then go to power management. And here you must see the box of allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So you just have to uncheck this box, then click OK. Once you have done, right click on it, click on update driver, click on search automatically for drivers. It will automatically update your Wi-Fi drivers. So you can do the same thing for all of your drivers here. So once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, just go to your settings, and in settings you just have to look for network and internet, click on it, and here just scroll down, go to advanced network settings, and here further scroll down, you will see the option of network reset. Click on this, then click on reset now. It will completely reset your network settings. So once you have done, your issue will be fixed. After doing this, I recommend you have to go to Windows Update section, try to update your Windows. Once you updated your Windows, go back and just make a restart with your PC. After restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.